Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Said Ali Hassan and I am teaching you Unity 3D game development. So I completed my 8 tutorials and this is my 9th tutorial, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can design and develop a main menu. Okay, first I would like to show you one sample main menu so you can easily understand how the main menu look like. You can design and develop much better than this main menu or like this main menu. So this is a main menu I develop. So it has a background music and a quit button which has a canvas with 2 buttons, no button, yes button. Then objective, it show all the objective and back to menu button. Then control button, so to show all the controls. Then back to menu button, develop by button, developer information, simple. Then if I press yes, then application exit. So I'm going to show you how to design this kind of menu, but not overall this kind of menu. First I would like to show you the 2 buttons, how to design and develop 2 buttons, play button and quit button. Then on my next video I will design and develop the whole main menu, because I don't want to extend too much time. I want to complete this video within 10 minutes. So first I would like to show you how to design and develop play button and quit button. Then in next video I will show you how to design a complete main menu. So let's start. First you need to go to game object, UI, then canvas. So this is my canvas. In my canvas I would like to go to UI button. So here is my button. So this is my button. So I would like to change the name of my button, rename to play. Then change the text as well, play. So play is visible here. Then in the text of my button, here is a font is it is a default font, Arial. You can change this font. If you want to change any other kind of font, you can simply download that font and drag and drop here. And font style, you can change it bold, italic, any kind of font which you like. Then font size you can increase or decrease font size according to your requirement. Line spacing, and there's many options. Color, if you want to change the color to red, you can simply click here. So the color is now red. Then click on a button. There is more option related to button. So I would like to change my button color. So black color is good for my button, I think. So this look like much better. Then highlighted color, I would like to change to gray. Press color, there are many options, you can check one by one, and any option you like, any style you like, you can choose that. So this is a button image type, so you can check this button. It look like much attractive. So I go for sliced. So there are many options related to designings. you can check them all. So now I would like to start coding how this button perform. When I click this button, then it should go to the next level. Okay, so in my button I want to add a script, new script, menu, and C# script. It must be a C# script. Then open that script. So now it is open. So first I would like to add the UI library, which is important. Using Unity Engine.ui. Then remove this update function, because I would like to add my own functions here. Public, not here, public void start level. So I wrote my function here. Then application dot load level, and here I would like to add my scene name here, which is scene 2. Then I want to add this function on my button, play button. So go to my play button. Here is a on click event, which is list is empty, so click on plus. So here I want to drop my script, but don't drop your script directly. First you should add your script on any object, just like I added my script on play object. Then drag and drop that play object here, like this. Now function, search for function, menu, and start level function. Here is the start level function, so I attach that function here and start the game. Click. Now I'm on next level, which is level 2. And do remember that you have your all 2 functions already add here in scene. If not add, you should have to add those scene here. Then for quit button, right click canvas, UI button, name it quit. Then write a script for this button. It's a simple script, it's a simple function. Quit level. Application dot quit. So attach this function on quit button, click on this button, and click on plus, then add that player object, drag and drop here, because that play object have our script. Search for that function, quit function. So play the game. This quit button will not work, never work in Unity. It will work when I build this game. Okay, I am going to show you that too. So already 10 minutes. Oh, test 3 name. So I think we should wait. So now it is completed. I am going to open the game, play the game. Then when I click on quit button, application exit. So it is working. And also I would like to test play button. I'm sure it will work as well. Next level. Okay, I hope you easily understand my video. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share my video as much as possible. Thank you very much. And don't forget to watch my next video. I will develop design and develop the whole main menu. I hope that video will be very helpful for you. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.